rising up betimes and sending because he had compassion on his people and on his dwelling place.
And on his dwelling place. You follow? At amuro hiwa up Canada. So sa nangay a remnant, a elect.
Yeah, man.
The rest not dalek. Twitter the not dalek.
Adios.
So lang ino arki the word fu amuro hiwang. Sabi to. Ino arki, ino siki hawo ba shimyawo shay. Im saptak yo de street up. So may tak yani ma alas mo alas may dede one thing. No, mato dede. Ma damano sab sila tak yawo shay ko posible electing. May uno daw, hindi ko hato gede nga Twitter. Dati na mga Pilipina dal.
Alexa mo suki gide. Na on gide na wars kwento. Iya, gide na wars.
Unug GMS isabi to concerned about the elect.
Darag na militer tablet mo. Iya man Twitter na puno kolog din eh bigi na nga de respondere. Or to le mikki sapor, boy na de ersto sa obige kiri.
Wala to. Walo smoke dede bigiwa na ngap chiwang upa. Boy may siya alas smoke dede. So lang ay wikit yo dede. Ezekiel, give me one do Ezekiel man. Wala? May din takya tiya hawo siya kung amaw ko nang mga bigi o ko ano. Fugi gide suka nam de kerkis mabrasa.
Ezekiel chapter 9 verse 5.
4.
4.
Bigyan ako.
5. Ezekiel chapter 9 verse 5. And unto the others he said, in my hearing, go you after him to the city. Start at 4. Ezekiel chapter 9 verse 4. And the Lord Jehovah said unto him, go to the midst of the city, to the midst of Jerusalem, and set the mark upon the foreheads of the men that sign and cry.
No, na this way do we put a mark, and a mark it represent except from except from judgment. Sabi to, and a mark dyan in Hebrews na tawa. You see? Read it again.
And the Lord said unto him, go to the midst of the city, to the midst of Jerusalem, and set a mark upon the foreheads of the men that sigh and cry.
You see, that sigh and cry for all the abominations. Hindi man sa agree, sabi to, o ma wickedness. The following, malit uno agree o ma wickedness. So, at least na kung may wiki na kumiling sa ang age. Sino wicked eh yung... Sabi to, ang nadya ba taka will dya wicked. Wag ka na nga din. Sabi to, manangamang pro, ala desat na wickedness. Na ay fuyaw ba, simyaw siya. Sabi to, so they elect a cry and sign for all the abominations. To either the look at abominations.
Namin ko at pa. Sorry to, pero sa dito. Kung yung music at wiki to hindi siya.
Natay, di ko naman. Masolis na kuya, at di ko nang tagboy sa mga midjay ko na yan. Ang ba simyaw siya ko.
And that cry for all the abomination that be done in the midst thereof.
Yeah.
Verse 5. And to the others he said in my hearing, go ye after him to the city and smite, let not your eyes peer.
Go what?
Go you after him to the city and smite, let not your eyes peer.
She and smite, let not your eyes spare. Follow to smite ko atak kiri and no ano up kanada ginawa sma kanada lows. Sabi to, let not your eyes spare no asma, spare no ama, fear alade, ala wicked people.
Neither have you pity. Verse 6. Slay utterly old and young.
You see, slay utterly old and young. Uma na nga baby o dede. Tapadave te all hello break loose. Jacob's trouble. Walo smoke dede konger snow.
Both maids and little children.
Both maids and little children. Maids na chimesyo. Ano rin tibetya se make walo sani. Where walo shot sani koti skin kot beladoro. And the bitches that told dede.
And woman.
And woman. Majab na for all the woman. For unu tribe. The nigga woman. The wicked.
but come not near any man upon whom is the mark, and begin at my sanctuary. Then they began at the ancient men which were before the house.
Yeah. Voilà. Zum saptak de angels schreef to so met tente all hello break loose. De angels schreef om manifesteer des revi. Vous avez toch? Maar de angels schreef om guide die elect. De angels ook guide die elect voor jou, Bashim, jou, Shai. Dat ik schreef to van the most I will give us a sound mind. We follow? Want toen we wel eens mogen deden, gewoon je begint wel edeja, je anu, je futu. Dan ik een voorbeeld die op binnenlandse oorlog bij dit. Sma is zoet wel eens makiri. Dat precies zo dit. Lord wil hem orson lo de ma konja israna kukir wel weekend before dat. Dus dat betekent dat de zo'n van israna manja de wicked.
Ezekiel chapter 33, verse 2, verse 1. Again, the word of the Lord came unto me, saying, Son of man, speak to the children of thy people, and say unto them, when I bring the sword upon land, if the people of the land take command of their coast, and set him for their watchmen. Son of man, speak to the children of thy people, and say unto them, when I bring the sword upon the land, if the people of the land take command of their coast, and set him for their watchmen.
Follow? Dus amoro hiwa itak na nga de Israelite via UNU. You follow to? Ik tegen de watch hoe de people van tak mi dere die sena soort kom. Met andere woorden destruction. Follow to? Tegen mi follow tak mi de tapap judge grond tapu mata wicked. En UNU like the prophets, the watchmen voor jou Bashim jou Shai. De kom ko wars ko people. So kan am de dingen na nga de ingi de Israelite. Sabi to? We're prophesying.
This is 2nd Esdras chapter 15 verse 1. Behold, speak thou in the ears of my people the words of prophecy.
Words of prophecy, and prophecy just means to say before. Dat nasa prophecy want takin. Sabi to? Prophecy dat want ako je tak pos wasan ako beur. Je tak wasan pos ako beur. Pos open the plats.
Ja.
And if you know a true prophet, you be prophesy abra great kingdoms, war, pestilence, nga evil, bad times. Sabi to?
Dat was true prophet voor Amoro Iwang itu.
Ja.
Prophesy against evil, bad times, isa pa to destruction, oorlog, sickness, nga hongersnood.
God.
We get ready. Dat is sanat no commit you. Tine sanat do doro. Dat no of true prophet. My bine, do no of the sanat you know Karius revo prophet. And you know a false prophet.
God. From of the master. I'm not dying to say.
This is 2nd Esdras chapter 15 verse 1. Behold, speak thou in the ears of my people the words of prophecy,
Words of prophecy, Lord.
which I will put in thy mouth,
Which I will
saith
put-
the Lord.
Which I will put in thy mouth, said Yahweh Bashim Yahushai. Dus na so yeshik batak unu ne tak fu sirefi.
Kan.
Kung mas may din tak yahu ko tapas street fu tak na nga unuani. Ko unu bigite ka Bible ko we bigitak tak walosani. Kung nasabtak na spirit fu Yahweh Bashim Yahushai ro ko na utak. In order to prophesy, you have to be blessed with the Holy Spirit, the Rakah Kudash.
Kan. Shar Ahmad.
Nagadosa world sa
Follow ko. Mas may din tak yahu tak sa wedi. Kinana na sayawish.
2nd Esdras chapter 15 verse 1. Behold, speak thou in the ears of my people the words of prophecy, which I will put in thy mouth,
Which I will put in thy mouth.
saith the Lord.
Said the Lord. Dus nung resan sa weta kinayaho ba sumyaw siya e pode in uno mafoftaki.
Kan.
Na nga e follow desu kanam deneng rin nga de igi de Israelito.
Kan.
Na de rebellious. For how to be there though?
Verse 2. And cause them to be written in paper, for they are faithful and true.
They are faithful and truth. Sabi to? They are faithful and true. Dus alasan so weta ja umes may de gidi man sa ini takwende. Es mato de standard.
Seeker.
Standard.
Dulu dia bigay bigay pa.
Nato chimche yaw ba sumyaw siya e bigi judge din. Sabi to? At amoro iwan sirip take Ku ala de pol ke tapagron tapu amasa Israel wang. Isu ko namden ngere nanga di igi.
Ito na nga, Michael.
Pol ko. Isu ko namden ngere nanga di igi wang amoro hi wasa. That make of punish thing to the wickedness sa di.
Revelation chapter 19, verse 10. And I fell at his feet and worshiped him, and he said unto me, See thou do it not.
See this na Johannes. Sabi to, Johannes to open barrel amambe siya angel. Angel ko na ma-inwa vision ko tat na nga man. Dama siya angel. Kama bow down, kama fell down at his feet to worship. Amabuha ang bigi a angel. Asa angel takigoan.
See thou do it not.
Yeah, see thou do it not. This met angel no do. Sabi to, no ang bigi, no boy gigi me. Go ahead.
I am thy fellow servant
See, I am thy fellow servant. Na you fellow binat. Go ahead.
and of thy brethren,
Hindi na you brada. Kung puno na nga di angel sa brada. Tuwi sa pato.
Ay, puno de in space.
that have the testimony of Yahushua.
See, that have the testimony of Yahushai. That sa abakotoyokanis, kuya Yahushai. Go ahead.
Worship the Most High,
Ang bigi Yahweh Bashim Yahushai. Go ahead.
for the testimony of Yahushua is the spirit of
It's
prophecy.
the spirit of what?
It's the spirit of prophecy.
It's the spirit of prophecy. Ome false prophet de man prophesy.
No. Mane prophesy.
Man prophesy.
Mana susut deeds de my deeds de people sumanate.
Yato.
Ay uno na Hebrew sa Israelito. Uno na apolak sa abebale taki so dati wane taki. Awa sa ka reason sa wasuko nam de blakama. Dati wane tis. Mapu prophesy was ko the people sa ikong that they do. Dus if iniwa prophet Israelite group de and ye tak a spirit fu. Awa sa ka reason then you tako and in a prophesy that to attack you are no a prophet.
Kan.
Omdat a spirit for Yahushai is the spirit of prophecy.
Give me 1 Corinthians 14 and 32.
Before that, let me get. This is Joel chapter 2 verse 1. And this is our prophet Edu. Blow ye the trumpet in Zion
Kan.
and sound an alarm in my holy mountain. Let the inhabitants of the land tremble, for the day of the Lord cometh, for it is nigh at hand.
Blow ye the trumpet. Nadat na sa wedu. Scripture sinapitakin Isaiah 58 and 1. Cry aloud. Fear not. Lift up thy voice
Like a trumpet.
Kan.
Isunog up my panodo.
Kan. At po si ina Asian thing ay. Po si ina. Sabi ko.
Lift up thy voice like a trumpet. Una mic nga boxer pano. Uno sa kanobong, manuno daw na apten gida sanda.
Yato.
Ewan sa oyere, sa amoro yung wakisa gitiere do oyere.
Yato. At po si na blow ye the trumpet. Follow to blow ye the trumpet ina Asian thing na. Isang patali ko orang ko ako. Di may black. And so lang ada people there a trumpet that. Sabi ko, di may yerap ba di tak alarm. Di may blow da kontak Mare di for.
Yeah.
Sabi ta and uno ne tire de na spiritual sabi do. Uno ne ko oputa nga mayo na nadangasan. So for my Christian. The follow to we watch the people patak Dere di gardoer all of the kong.
Kasi tag na alewer nuno de isi. And ano amdata alenge kong da une kong prophesy.
Yeah.
We're in of season and out of season.
Yeah.
This is the true prophet Edu. Aling of ano aling, so fire of ano so fire. Ute, winter of no winter. Make your body a living sacrifice. And that na sa we do. Si, ube katak-taka aling ko daw ni kong.
Yato.
Takwet ko. Ang wani na nga krakti
God.
to the spirit of Yahweh, Bashim, Yahushai.
1 Corinthians chapter 14, verse 32. And the spirits of the prophets are subject to the prophets. 1 Corinthians chapter 14, verse 32. And the spirits of the prophets are subject to the prophets.
See, and the spirits of the prophets are subject to the prophets. The case van de profeten zijn onderworpen aan de profeten.
And
En follow this, dat wat ik doe, maar make you strip one prophet. Hoe Yahweh Bashim Yahushai. Want zo, met mij denk ik dat, denk ik. Je moet het heren. is a Bible. Hey, you know prophet. The man understand
Is to the Bible.
sana wa lot to a prophet.
Istudera Bible and amo make this one proper. Mika apuito, mika. Ina next ino sabi. Next. Moro iwa ekisogeyu. A spirit so lang ay si pawe prophesy jaso. Lord to lewa de mati. Na to antag na diskubeduk ba ina uruteng. Si a spirit that come baka inwa trasking. If you be waka itu walo san inawa pribatulis. Na that ibedu ina uruteng.
Yato. Alam may kung baka na do a lot. Kung baka in a lot. Sabi to. Oh, iya wala man sin kita dede kung balik tabu asi. Dari Elamites East Indians are. They believing that reincarnation is coming back as an animal. It's foolishness, madness.
This is Daniel chapter 12 verse 12. Blessed is he that waited and cometh to the 1,305 days. But go thou thy way till the end be.
But go, this na Yahweh, itak na nga appropriate Daniel. This is okay. Wala.
Blessed, this is Daniel chapter 12 verse 12. Blessed is he that waited and cometh to the 1,305 days. Verse 13. But go thou thy way till the end be.
But go thou thy way till the end be.
Go ahead. For thou shalt rest and stand in thy lot at the end of the days.
You see? Dus amoro iwan give the appropriate Daniel van tag go. Isabi to. Roast 2. Isabi to des met andro de teo dede. Yo go roast 2 to. Want take na roast 2 yo roast 2. You follow? Want you come back in your lot in the last day. Kasa that one taki. That one tak Daniel appropriate Daniel jabakat in the day. Prophesy a downfall to Babylon what in a
Yeah,
ancient thing that amabit.
and stand in the ategi Daniel tag and stand in the lot at the end of the days.
You see?
That one tag nanunod na in the last day ude that one tag Daniel de baka in watrapodi.
God, it prophesy
Sabi to.
against Babylon.
God.
Another tamabedu, amabe prophesy against ancient Babylon.
Tatama bedu to prophesy. Tegi des masa ekong. Tak sweet libi o stop so metin once do to ko sranang. If ino aba spirit pamoro heiwa yon. Tete God. Simple.
Rohiwan nuno raise up walo warriors. Raise up the tabernacle of David. Imiimos sa man, imiimos na.
This is Amos chapter 9 verse 11. In that day will I raise up the tabernacle of David that is fallen.
See, there's no na that sa one spiritual tabernacle. Mata eerste one pwede one physical one.
Yeah.
Follow? Masa amoro yung one that raise a tabernacle to David.
Sabi padong.
Sabi padong. Respect andro the raise up baka de mang.
Yeah.
Sabi to army David.
Yeah.
The 144,000.
The house of David, the Bayat Gawada, the elect.
Sabi to, the Most High is raising up his prophets, the true men of the Lord.
God. This is Amos chapter 9 verse 11. In that day will I raise up the tabernacle of David that is fallen and close up the preachers thereof. And I will raise up his ruins and I will build it as in the days of old.
I would build it as in the days of old. Nuno na datip sa. Sabi to, in the urute na ancient thing, a house of David. The man obede pupu. Alas, ito na nga di mabe koto, alas mabe frede de man. That demandat be set roko, demandat be kirwalos mati de mabe gwawar.
God.
Bayad daw da no be play. Sabi to, King David na nga di mape no be play. You follow? And the 144,000, the man that ne play, the man that warriors, and so many them amoro he was send the man that ko kill wicked people.
Sende ko bakalik ontimang.
Hunters.
No, de man de tapasrati like fisimang.
Yan.
We uku de wansa muswiki. Madalak de ashuda to stop. Damoro hiwa sende man ko bakalik onti mang. Esa wa onti mang edu. Igwa tap city dangay onti go inagong ano lollipop yego prati.
Yan.
Na kiri yego kir meti. Si
Diego Kill.
Naro mek nunu de spang. Om tu aba feed lord wele wa de madi amoro hiwa rise up like onti mang. Sabi to. Alasan sa daw pasi sa de incorrect. Na west delayed
Dalek.
slaughter.
Yan. Sabi to, panikit no. Sabi to, no. Mas may naitapo din natin kick. Play, lo, pichelo, kanisa.
Luko sa ukobir ng asrana. Lord Twilling. Diti dat doros na lem. Luko sa kupsa israna sumeti. Kayo stag hapon na wap de di na kuno blocker niya ko stop ko israna. Sana ma de look niya to. McDonald papay sana de pres na to tapo. Then follow pa do bigay niya des reflect des map finish nila. Diti na tekong.
Lemon. Right here. Mas kaya, mas mo, nag-grip na kayo. Ito, Jari. Sabi taki, nag-grip ko eh. Ah, bakat kiyari.
Ya baka tu entok yari. Sawe taki eswarma ano ete. Ikmud mi plan musko de achieve mi mus klar medal bar up to the university diploma da po sa Indo Kangkong. Legja ade.
Right at,
Sa inax to opsi sa de Israelito apnuno de ningri de buskon de nga de ingi. Na hastif drive kung baka na amuro hiwang. Dat na inax to sanso abi. Wis iwa hastif po you also dik pondere ala de sanat o misluk.
Ay. Mas may naitapo din natin play, lobby. Pero the time of war, no, na di natin lobby no.
Is na so wickedness sa nuno de ingo. Parasra na. Look at Facebook, man na de buskon de china nga de may upsex face de baby. Face de chin. Libi let face de chin. Baby, I see bino amay upsex na nga smakun. Live patra may sormiti de ta WhatsApp. Live yes in the sun. Dana righteousness.
Wickedness.
Nakanda mandati kana smarat abe makana manat dabusi at that base ka nga tramang e upsex let face up chief tramang. Na wickedness sa de sa puno edu. Taro me kunano wa kana ada nga de mange korde nge gide ace walo sot siki. Tede mange potwalo ecstasy nga perki go inde dringi pendor hepster tokay. E per crack de nge walo great sana nga ding. Tawi ko takpan ya Suriname escosikan. Ano kosikan next? Ou destroy so meteen. Inas pa bauta ebige destroy you chip chin.
Malaria, like.
Udah date kerki mani kontegi tak ya asan wikit yere social media e pernitak ala de sap unu de buskonder nga de nengre sa de tu tap Facebook e paper tap Facebook e apek pon tap Facebook face dem baby pay e kidep chief de smoko face camera e film tanawang bungsani da e Suriname kasi ko na ino wan amoro hiwa atinu se brong. Nunu de asanat ko de wire sa nunu bena tede tinha upsex imu se film de film mena da meu filmo kasi yellow I need it. Stupid pictures. Go ahead.
Dede.
Romans chapter 3 verse 3. For what if some did not believe? Shall their unbelief make the faith of the Most High without effect?
Say that again, Avi.
Romans chapter 3 verse 3. For what if some did not believe? Shall their unbelief make the faith of the Most High without effect?
See? Shall that faith,
So the unbelief.
shall their unbelief make the faith of Yahweh Bashim Yahushua without effect? You follow? Om dat zoals man brivi, dat want dat derde wereld oorlog no faith moro. Sabi to, Yahushua, yung sabi ka releases, intruning na Yahushua no komoro. But go ahead.
Verse 4. The Most High forbid.
See? Hell no! Isi ne bribi. Dat na you sak, in sak dat yun dede. Omdat you ne bribi dat derde wereld oorlog no faith moro. Yan lo ede.
Yea, that the Most High be true, but every man a liar.
The Most High be true and every man a liar. Ik amoro hiwang apleti lang alasma limang.
As it is written, that thou mightest be justified in thy sins, and mightest to forgive when thou art judged.
Kan. Sabi to, natitiyaw ba siya bigit judge people